Welcome to the Tech Pink channel. Today we will learn about Linux in 3 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. But before we talk about Linux, we need to talk about Unix. Unix was an operating system created by AT&T in 1973. One of the main goals of Unix was to allow multiple users to use the same computer at the same time. In 1991, a guy named Linus Torvalds from Finland created Linux. Linux was intended to be an open source and Unix-like. Linux by itself is just a kernel, which is a core part of an operating system. The kernel source code is at kernel.org. I will share this link in the video description. But as you can see, the previous versions of the kernel are ready for public download on the website. The kernel source code is also on GitHub. It's so interesting to see Linus Torvalds just make a commit to the repository 15 minutes ago. A Linux distribution is a complete operating system which is ready for you to use. Here I'm showing you some of the most popular Linux distributions. We have MX Linux, Linux Mint, Ubuntu, Debian, and my personal favorite is Ubuntu. There are two ways in which you can interact with Linux. One of the ways is through a graphical user interface. Here, I'm using Ubuntu Desktop to move the cursor to click on the Firefox icon and then go to Google's website. Another way to interact with Linux is using the command line. As you can see, I'm using command to create a file. Then I'm using another command to output the file. And then finally, I use another command to list all the items under the current directory. There are many usages for Linux. One of the main usage is web server. That's when you hit a web page, a Linux web server will send you the page back to your browser. Another usage is Android, the operating system for your smartphone, and Android is based on Linux. Also, Linux was used in SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something useful today. If you have any questions, please feel free to type it up in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them in a timely manner. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe.